Would you pay $1,500 for a one-night stay in a hotel? Well, even if you wouldn't, there are actually people on this planet who do this on a regular basis. Michelin-starred dining and the best views over the skyline of the city of love. Today I have for you guys 10 of the most expensive and luxury hotels in France. Before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. The Hotel Louvre. Starting of our list with a true heavyweight in the luxury niche. It is a 5-star hotel located near the center at 228 Rue de Rivoli in the 1st arrondissement of Paris. It is the oldest luxury hotel in the city. The house received its nickname Hotel des Rois, Hotel of the Kings, due to its royal guests, such as King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, who stayed here in 1938 during a visit. No wonder that the hotel welcomed big names from Hollywood and royals from all over the world over the years. The 5-star hotel is equipped with 160 rooms, including 42 suites. The restaurant, directed by Alain Ducasse, was awarded 2 stars by the guide Michelin. The largest suite, which is called La Belle Étoile, covers 297 square meters of pure luxury. It has 4 bedrooms and has a terrace included. Park Hyatt Vendôme, centrally placed and close to the Place Vendôme and Par la Garenne. Many of the big Paris attractions can be reached in a pleasant 15-minute stroll from the hotel. When you wish to explore further afield, a number of metro stations are just meters away. A magnet for many A-list celebrities, from tennis Grand Slam winners to chart-topping singers, the hotel offers the very best of 5-star accommodation, dining and amenities. The 156 rooms, which include 45 suites, are set off in pleasing contemporary styling with attractive, elegant adornments. But it wouldn't be on that list if there weren't some mind-blowing numbers to show off. The hotel has 3 so-called signature suites. The main restaurant has a 1-star Michelin rating. Breakfast and brunch can be enjoyed in the glass ceiling La Orchidée, or the relaxing fireplace. Bon appetit! Hotel Krillin Le Brave. Just outside Avignon, a little of the track in the Provence, lies a charming village-like hotel complex called Hotel Krillin Le Brave. 8 restored stone houses are connected by a series of alleyways and courtyards, including a vaulted terrace restaurant and bistro with pretty views of the Dentelles de Montmirail and Mont Ventoux, and of course, an outdoor heated pool with a big sun deck next to it. The rooms in the Hotel Krillin Le Brave feature typical provable things such as exposed beams, terracotta floors, antique furniture. The perfectly adapted interior for this area. The on-site spa offers restorative treatments to let your body fully recover. The hotel has a fine dining restaurant called La Madeleine. And for all animal lovers, the hotel claims to be absolutely pet-friendly. Oh, by the way, a normal superior room at this 5-star luxury hotel starts at 25 to 30 square meters. Hotel Royal Riviera. Directly in the middle of Monaco and Nice in the Cap Ferret area lies this 94-room seafront hotel. Among many other good services, it provides features such as access to a private seasonal beach in high season, a heated pool, a sauna, hammam, a gym, and of course a gourmet restaurant. As you can imagine, this 5-star hotel is an absolute place to be and a perfect playground for the rich and famous. The interior matches perfectly with the Mediterranean landscapes which surrounds the hotel. No wonder that the Hotel Royal Riviera is one of a few members of the leading hotels of the World Association. La Réserve de Beaulieu and Anglaise Spa. La Réserve de Beaulieu and Anglaise Spa is another 5-star hotel with a charming spa area in Beaulieu-sur-Mer in the south of France. Like the Royal Riviera, it is also a member of the leading hotels of the World Association. Originally a seafood restaurant, you can still enjoy the wonderful culinary fare at La Réserve de Beaulieu, but with the added benefit of a fantastic spa and hotel on site. This luxury hotel combines the elegance of an aristocratic residence with Riviera glamour and fresh sea air. There are 2 chic beachfront restaurants to choose from, as well as a lounge-style bar. Before you ask, the restaurant of course has a Michelin star. 4 Seasons George V, Paris. Situated in the 8th arrondissement, the George V is located between the Seine and the Champs-Élysées and maintained its good reputation since its opening in 1928. As you might expect from a top Parisian hotel, it houses a 2 Michelin-starred restaurant. Many of the rooms have private terraces with stunning views on Europe's most romantic city and the skyline of Paris. No wonder that celebrities like JP Morgan, the Beatles, or Angelina Jolie stayed in this masterclass hotel. For the romantics among you, there is an exclusive expedition that manages to deliver over 9,000 flowers directly from Holland every week. Interested? Good. Well, maybe you should have a look at the price before booking. Double rooms at the George V start at $1,040 per night. The Plaza Athene. The Plaza Athene might be one of the most famous Parisian luxury hotels. Its construction ended in 1909. It was opened in 1913 on the Avenue Montaigne. Over the decades of Paris history, it was once the nest of the Nazi authorities in the Second World War. Later, it was a favorite place to be for American soldiers. Since the beginning of 1946 till today, the Plaza Athene welcomes celebrities from all over the world. As for lunch and dinner, you can choose between 5 different restaurants. The catering service is soberly called Alain Ducasse au Plaza Athene, named after its star chef, who runs all 5 restaurants. The hotel's 208 rooms overlook the very glamorous Avenue Montaigne and its numerous luxury stores such as Louis, Chanel and Prada. In addition to that, the generous spa area is completely free to use for the hotel guests. Hotel Barrière Lafarcaise. Hotel Barrière Lafarcaise Paris is a 5-star hotel. The hotel opened on November 6, 2006 and is also a member of the leading hotels of the World Association. The hotel spa consists of a swimming pool, beauty rooms and a sauna. Then, along with the 5 restaurants, you can go and have refreshing drinks in 3 different bars. In a nutshell, the Hotel Barrière Lafarcaise is the perfect place to calm down your nerves and to refresh your body. Price per night starts at about $960. The Hotel Peninsula Paris. The Hotel Peninsula Paris is a 5-star hotel located in the 16th arrondissement. The former Hotel Majestic was reopened in August 2014. Directly on the Avenue Clever, just a few hundred yards from a few chic designer boutiques, and the Peninsula is central for those days when you didn't feel like working. The Peninsula also frequently welcomes celebrities from stage and screen or international sports stars on its property to enjoy the 5-star luxury stay. The rooms and suites displaying expensive artworks and traditional dark woods with contemporary fittings. The bathrooms have marble floors and walls, deep luxurious bathtubs, and double sinks. Every convenience you can imagine is included in the rooms. A 5-star hotel with a palace reputation. Nothing to miss out here. Hotel Ritz. Well, as you can imagine, in a city full of different kind of luxury hotels, it's hard to single out one hotel, but the Hotel Ritz, located in the absolute center of Paris, must be the most luxurious hotel in France. Featuring authentic French gardens, terraces, an exclusive spa and breathtaking views, so perfect that time seems to stop. The Ritz combines modern French luxury with the history of country's art and design. On top of that, the rooms and suites bear the names of Coco Chanel and Scott Fitzgerald, who considered the Ritz a second home. It has 142 rooms and 71 of them are suites, which means that every second room is a suite at one of Europe's highest luxury standards. This hotel is surrounded by restaurants, various bars, and a health club. Besides that, a stay at the Ritz Paris also includes breakfast, an indoor pool, free internet, and concierge service. In a nutshell, 124 rooms of absolute luxury. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. What was your favorite hotel on the list? Write it in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.